Good day everyone. I am Janre Epreman and this is our video lesson about the Japanese parasol dance. So let's proceed to the learning objectives of this lesson. So at the end of the lesson, you are able to discuss briefly the history of the Japanese parasol dance. Second, identify different counting and formation in parasol dance. And last, you are able to execute the steps of the parasol dance. Brief history of the Japanese parasol dance. Parasol dance or the Japanese parasol dance was created for wealthy men. According sa module na to, medyo contradict lang dahil kalimitan or karaniwan daw sinasayaw ito ng mga geisha. Pag sinabing geisha, ito yung mga entertainer na babae in Japan para sa mga mayayaman lang na mga Hapon na lalaki. Ito pa yung isang contradict dito. Dahil daw, sinasagawa or pine-perform ito ng mga geisha after nila na magkaroon ng coitus. Pag sinabing coitus, ito yung sexual intercourse or genital intercourse between the man and the woman na nag-serve daw as a reward or as a reward or award for the male. Then, though later o pagkalipas ng mga panahon, it became a dance before sexual status. Sabi dito parang nagkaroon na ng kalinawagan yung mga Hapon na yung mga female o yung sayaw na to hindi lang para sa sexual intercourse or sexual status but para makita din ng mga Hapon na lalaki kung ano nga ba yung tunay na kagandahan o tunay na kagandahan, tunay na kalagayan ng mga female na mga Japanese nang sa gayon matakpan yung madilim or medyo contradict na nakaraan ng sayaw na to.
So good day everyone, I'm Jamaica Mer Arlaude from Prepared 3D and I am here to continue the reporting about Japanese parasol dance. Japanese parasol dance is an example of a simple Japanese dance that uses an umbrella. So this dance is suited for girls making use of shuffling steps. That is basic step for the typical Japanese. So the parasol dance is from Kabuki, which means classical Japanese dance drama. So according to the researchers who put together the Shurijo Castle Park New Year's celebration in 2010, Daihigasa Odori is a part of the classical Ryukyuan court dance technique that developed in the 18th and 19th centuries. The principal function of these dances were to honor and entertain the the ambassadors from China. So this dance have 5 different types of. So those are Wakashu Odori, which means young person's dance, Rojin Odori, old person dance, Uchikumi Odori, dramatic dance, Naisen Odori, men's dance, and Ona Odori, women's dance. This type of dancing lasted until the Okinawa was established. So, at which point it became part of the outlaw Kabuki theater. So, because of the original Kabuki performances were deemed immoral and unfit for polite, Japanese society, the theaters were built from outside the city walls, sometimes even in the river bottoms, like many other forms of outlaw, outlaw theater. Kabuki became widely popular and its dance forms in the Ryukyuan style were handed down from performer to performer. So also Japanese parasol dance performed usually at spring festivals by one or many dancers. It has its roots in the traditional theater art of Japan. Uh, Japanese parasol dance have fun fact. So the fun fact about Japanese parasol dance, did you know that parasol dancing actually used to be done by males, not women? Also, did you know that parasol dancing is just shuffling across the floor, but you have to be trained to do it?
Good day everyone, my name is Romeo A. Joben from Bifed 3D, and now I'm going to discuss the place of origin of Japanese dance and the classifications. First is the place of origin. It was during the 18th and 19th century that a dance technique called Higasa Odori was developed by a man called Tamagusuko Seiju in the Ryukyuan court in Okinawa in Japan. Furthermore, it was thus using Higasa Odori as a template that this dance style was then created. And he created an Ona Odori for a woman with a Okinawan style costume. From her hair to her delicate white tabi. It was it was a dance meant to evoke the summer reason and that the happy, carefree feeling of a maiden playing in the fields. And now the classification of Japanese parasol dance. The Japanese parasol dance use the umbrella or the parasol. And the principle and the main purpose of this dance is to entertain Chinese ambassadors visiting the country and to honor the ambassadors from China. And there were 5 different types of dances. Wakashu Odori, Rojin Odori, Uchikomi Odori, Nishi Odori, Ona Odori.
Here are the Japanese parasol dance costume. As we can see, women wear bright colored called kimono. When we say kimono, this is the traditional Japanese garments that we have charmed their way around the world due to their beauty and style. As we can see, they carry a parasol which is called the umbrella or the oil paper umbrella. They also wear Japanese shoes or the wooden shoes that called geta, and they also wear socks or we call tabi. The last one, the song played during the dance is called Mikado. Yun yung song na play nila when they are performing. Thank you.
Everyone, my name is Joshua De Plata, and today I'm going to discuss the music in Japanese parasol. So music A. A is starting with the right foot, executing shuffling step forwards, twirl parasol overhead, and B with the shuffling steps turn around in a face clockwise, twirl the parasol over the right shoulder. And C, repeat B, turning counterclockwise, transfer parasol to the left shoulder. So D, turn right about and repeat A going to a proper place. Twirl parasol overhead, finish facing front, and repeat B and C. So music B, step right sideward and then step left close to the right foot. Bend knees slightly, straighten knees, bend the head slightly to the right side, parasol resting on the right shoulder, and then do not turn. And then B, repeat A to the left side, starting with the left foot. Transfer parasol to the left shoulder. And then repeat A and B. And then D, with the leading, and then execute shuffling steps moving clockwise. Each group makes its own circle. Twirl parasol on the shoulder. And it's gonna be 8 acts. Then E, turn right about and repeat D counterclockwise. and then transfer parasol to the left shoulder. Then music 3, and then A, all bend forward and drop on knees. Place the parasol behind. Bend trunk slowly forward until the head touches the floor. And then B, raise the trunk slowly and take parasol with both hands and place it in front. And then C, in kneeling position, sit on heels, Japanese fashion, and then raise the head and look around the parasol at the right side and to the left side. And then D, repeat C. The music A, each girl rolls her own parasol around self clockwise and counterclockwise. And then B, roll it in front sideward right and sideward left. And then repeat B, letter C. And then letter D, repeat A and B. And then letter E, all take parasol and stand up with the right foot. And then music B, all face right, holding the parasol with two hands at high level. And then execute shuffling step forwards, twirling parasol clockwise. And then C, turn left about. And then repeat A, parasol topward audience. And then D, turn right about and repeat A and B. And then E, execute shuffling step forwards to form a square, each girl, and then occupying a corner facing a common center. And then F, turn around in a place clockwise and counterclockwise as in figure. And then B and C finish facing the center. And then G, turn around in a place as figure, B twice, and then finish facing proper places. And then H, repeat A going to place, and then I with no, and then leading each set turns once counterclockwise, and then exit. And then use shuffling steps throughout, and then twirling the parasol on the shoulder.